Good morning, guys. In front of me is TCL 405, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. First, open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. So here we've got it. Once you see your keypad, you have to click on the settings icon, go to languages, and now tap on add keyboard. You have two options. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the language that you want to use, or you can tap on search icon, and in the search area enter the language that you want to use, mark the one, and click on done. Now you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit, mark it, and then confirm it by tapping on bin icon. Once you go back, you'll be able to see brand new language applied. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.